Nido Tanyam's parents met Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh on Friday, putting before him a list of 10 demands. The demands include capital punishment for all the culprits, stringent action against police officer for failure to register case and conduct medical examination, erection of statue of Nido Tanyams at a suitable location so that people can remember the incident, declaration of 30th January as National Anti-Racism Day in India, asking the HRD ministry to include information about the Northeast and its people in the school syllabus of all state boards including CBSE and ICSE, enactment of Anti-Racial Discrimination Act, designating a separate fast-track court to try cases related to Northeast people, setting up of a police station in Delhi specifically to deal with cases of racial discrimination, a one-time recruitment policy inducting at least 5,000 Delhi police personnel from Northeast states, and an immediate review and inclusion of people from the Northeast in the 6-member committee constituted by the Home Ministry.
Prime Minister is very concerned about Nido Tanyam's case, and he is also very concerned for the Northeastern people. He has issued all the demands, all the 10 demands to be implemented seriously very soon.
Parents have demanded that all those erring officials involved in the case who did not timely register the FIR and who also did not take care of the medication of the children after the first attack would be stern action will be initiated. That has been the assurance of the Prime Minister.
But even as all this happened, students from the Northeast protesting at the Jantar Mantar broke the security cordon, moving to Raisana Hill, shouting slogans. They were lathi-charged by the Delhi police. Reports suggested that over 50 protesting students have been detained by the police.
They had the Vashan, they did address the people and they declared that they are dispersing. Despite that, we followed them. One group dispersed, other group was trying to play mischief. They tried to come onto the Vijay Chowk. We got the reinforcement. We had the force because this is the VVIP area. We had the VVIP movement. Immediately had the reinforcement. We restrained them, we stopped them, and we have taken them to the police station. हम लोग 50-60 आदमी को ले गए हम. उनको अभी हमने डिटेन किया है, लेकिन उन्होंने 144 का वायलेशन किया. हम देखते हैं what legal action could be initiated against them. But certainly there would be some legal action against them.
Meanwhile, in another development, the Supreme Court has also taken serious note of violent attacks against people belonging to the Northeast. The Apex Court has issued notices to the centre and all the states, hearing a petition seeking framing of guidelines to give protection to Northeast people in various parts of the country. The court granted 4 weeks' time to the states to respond. The Apex Court also directed the states to set up a mechanism to protect and safeguard people hailing from the Northeast. With Bureau Inputs, Sudhakar Das and Vikas Sarthi's report, DD News.